We are watching right now the MicroCloud hologram chat. Look at that. This happened at the beginning of August. And what you're gonna watch right now is like, the incredible upside that happened just this week in just a couple of days. More than 100%. Absolutely insane. What happened, Enrique?
Yeah, and also then we have this correction right now happening also today. Very interesting movements. Let's talk about them. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. And right there, I don't know if you can read it or not, but it says take the risk or lose the chance. And here we could have a great example of this, or maybe the opposite also could be true. Take the risk and take the loss also sometimes. It's possible both scenarios, so make sure that you know what you are doing and you're managing risk properly as usual. Trading HT, let's go. First of all, we have breaking news about this stock, and we are going to paste them right here so you can read it. This is according to the latest post that we could gather with this Perplexity app from Reddit. And apparently they got that the listing notice again.
Well, yeah, exactly. Remember, guys, that if they don't comply with the Nasdaq regulation, that means that they had to trade above $1, they could be delisted. So at this point right now, they have 180 calendar days to regain this compliance. That is, they had to trade above $1 again, or they will be delisted. So that gives us actually the worst, for me, it's like one of the possible worst scenarios that can happen into investors, which is having a stock split, especially in a stock that is in losses. That could mean, a huge downside potential. It happened in many other stocks. I remember in Mullen, I remember other stocks such as Old Alliance. When they announced that the stock split, the stock plummeted a lot, and that was insane. It could happen here too.
Also, sometimes you see the opposite scenario, like the stock split happens and the stock goes higher, but then normally it collapses in previous examples that we had in this channel. But we don't know the future. Let us know in the comments your opinions about all this, the delisting notice, if you think it will keep going, or how they will solve this situation from Holo stock and investors taking them into account. Do you think they will be eligible for that additional 180-day extension? The price will be above $1 before this happens. Will the stock split happen? A lot of possibilities, so let us know in the comments your opinions. We had a lot of comments in the previous video. We're going to read all of them at the end of this one, so make sure to keep here until the end and to leave your comments in this video also. Very interesting news from this stock, and the price action, let's talk about it very fast. I'm in the 1 hour time frame just in case. And we have these two this parallel channel right here, very clear, and then we had these two possible resistance areas, and both were completely broken out. We could say destroyed when this movement started to the upside. Very interesting. Did you expect it? Let us know in the comments below. I know a lot of you did expect some kind of move like this. We will read them now. But we are talking about that movement from that 0.20 N level of more than 100%. Wow. And
Wow.
then the correction also started more than minus 40% around that number. So what is going on, guys? This is completely crazy. Let us know what you think. But the price action right here is beautiful to see.
Yeah, short squeeze happening again in this stock, MicroCloud hologram. What I recommend you to do always, guys, is when you experience something like this and you don't know what to do, you have to study previous examples of the same stock. So we had to go back a little bit. And the last one I would say is the May 2024. And look at what happened in that particular moment. A huge rally, and the percentage is about 170%. So absolutely huge as well. And then look at what happened afterwards. It's like a retest. It failed to get the stock above $4, and then the downtrend happened. A little bit. With a new try back in May 17th, but then again it went back again and again and again. Even though some rebounds happened, the end of the story is like the stock going down like crazy. From that particular level, actually, we're talking about like a minus 90%. So this is something that the key takeaway when analyzing a stock, like look at past experiences, and actually we're gonna comment the next one. Enrique is gonna comment what happened in February 2024 when the stock split happened. Tell us, Enrique.
Exactly. That comment was beautifully explained. Both scenarios are possible. From here, we could also see the price going higher and maybe breaking those previous resistance areas and making new highs from this year. I mean, But the opposite is true. You know, here in Trading HT, we like to state both possible scenarios because sometimes we are biased. You know, like when trading or inside a stock, we only think one possibility is true, and both scenarios are there. So if you are managing risk properly and you know what you're doing, fine. So in this case, what happened? We had very interesting levels right here from the 0. Yeah, after that the stock split, the price. That's what I meant. You know, in this case, the stock started to skyrocket like crazy. You can see right there, the movement was more than 6,000%. If
Wow.
this data is not
That's
mistaken,
another
I
trade
think.
of the year, Enrique.
Yeah, we talked about FFIE and the percentage was very very similar, and this one was completely insane. We weren't analyzing this when this happened. If we were, we would have shared it with you. And you know, when it reached that $99 area, more or less that 100 psychological level, we could talk about that also. The price started to plummet very very clearly, and you know, it was completely devastated. And they tried again during that support level, but they couldn't bounce it. And you see, when they lost that support level, wow, the movement to the downside was even more clear because in the past we had that, like that support area, but then it was broken out and not support areas below that level. So right now, let's go to the 1 hour time frame because I want to share this with you. This latest level, I think you can see the green circles right there. These were like the latest support areas of that movement of consolidation movement during June and July of this year. Once the price broke out of them, we had a retest right here, you know, acting as a resistance level, very very clear. And the interesting thing is like this time almost the same level got reached and the price started to get rejected again. So we could talk about a huge resistance area around this level of 0.70, 0.76. What do you think about this, guys? Do you think this is a clear resistance level, and will it be difficult to break if you think it will break to the upside or not? Or do you think the strength of that bears or that area was enough to plummet the price to previous prices again? Very interesting. Right now we are in the middle of this movement. We tend to make the videos when we are just in the middle of both sides. So what do you think, guys? Up or down from this level, or you are staying in the trenches? Let us know in the comments. And I think that's all for this. Let's go with the comments. Albert, do you want to comment something else about this?
No, let's see the comments because we actually have a lot of comments. And if you want us to read your comments, you can leave us below in the description of YouTube in this video. Set your thoughts, whatever you want about this stock MicroCloud hologram, and we're gonna read your comment in the next video.
Yeah, thank you very much. And also remember to subscribe. Let's go with the first comment. We have a lot of them about from Eddie Cortez. I'm going to paste like the first one right here.
Yeah,
Can you
let's
read
actually,
that?
Enrique, let's go to the 1 second
Yeah,
chart while we do this.
exactly. Let's go. Let's see that price action in the 1 second time frame to see some movement. Maybe something interesting happens right now. 5% candle movement in the 1 hour time frame. We are in the area one. Beautifully to see. Let's see.
Yeah, let's go to the 1 second. And here we go.
All right. Can you read the comment? I pasted it right there.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So we have Eddie Cortez. Thank you very much. We have a lot of comments from you. We're going to read all of them. In my opinion, we have 2 more days, 8, 16, 24, to see where this is heading. The 52nd week low is around 0.28 cents. If it breaks the monthly downtrend, it should bounce to the upside, bringing it to the 47 cents level. Then hopefully by then we'll get some kind of news. Best thing for people to do is double up and DCA. At least that little bump will break them even. Thank you for your enjoyable videos, my friends. Thank you very much for that positive feedback and all the information that you shared. You had your analysis right there, so good luck with it. We don't know the future, but we wish the best for all
Yeah,
of our
actually, it
subscribers.
hit that level.
Obviously,
Remember, Enrique, this was 5 days ago. So at that point, the stock was like in 0.20. So right now it's in
yeah,
0.42. So he nailed it because it was even $1 above $1. So yeah, good job, man.
yeah, exactly. So thank you for that comment also. Let's read the next one.
So here we go. Yeah, we have Leroy B. Tomorrow is a little tell between now and September 30th. It should be taking off. These guys nail it, you know. It's like it's difficult to predict what's gonna happen in this stock, and it happened. You know, we have Leroy B also thought the stock was gonna skyrocket, and then the following Monday it did that. It did exactly that, and actually today is Tuesday is going exactly up again, almost 170%, and now it's going down a little bit, obviously, but they nailed this prediction.
Yeah, exactly. We have to wait and see how it goes. As usual, I'm kind of skeptical. When you see this type of movement, sometimes the opposite happens. But if you got that trade right there and you took some profits, wow, it could be 100% in one day or a few days. It's a great profit, of course. But if you have a different trading strategy, please share it with us in the comments below. Good luck to everyone. And you said like you posted your charts to show, but it was removed. We don't know what you mean by that. Please share it with us. I don't know if you try to paste in the comment. I think you can paste images, or you were talking about a
Yeah,
video.
probably that's
Please,
not allowed by YouTube.
yeah, please let us know if you want to share it with us. Let's go with the next one.
Let's go with the next one. Thank you for your comments, guys. Remember to subscribe to Trading HT. And here we go, Enrique. Let's read it for us.
Yeah, we have Kevin Hunt. The 30 consecutive business days under $1 was August 6th, which prompted a deficiency letter. They'll have 180 days after that to fix or get delisted. Last time they didn't wait 180 days. They did the reverse stock split in 2.5 months. Based on this, worst base case scenario is that a reverse stock split won't happen until October. Seems as though they wanted it to stay under $1 to justify the 1 for 10 reverse stock split. Very interesting comment right there. The share price did not spike at all between the deficiency note and reverse split last time. All right, so we talked about that deficiency letter, and also, I mean, the situation with the delisting from the Nasdaq and all that. But very interesting that information that you stated about
what it
wanting to
usually
stay the price under
happens,
that.
what it usually happens is like when they announce the stock split, and this is what Kevin is just telling us. It's like it doesn't go up. You know, it's like when this announced, but the actually probably scenario, I mean, that is go down, because normally it's not good. It's like we are talking about if you don't go to this stock split. Well, actually, they had to do it just because to stay on Nasdaq, but that's normally not good. You know, the reverse stock splits in stocks like this normally it goes down. You know, and this is what we showed you before. You know, it's like when they announce it, it continues to go down, and then
Well, in this one, it went
it
higher.
went
Remember,
higher
it went
after that,
really crazy.
but after that, not before.
Yeah. I mean, the stock splits is always craziness, a lot of hype around them, and if you know what you're doing, go ahead. But if you don't know, wow, both scenarios are completely possible. But
Yeah,
it will.
exactly. These stocks, they can be highly manipulated. We have a market cap of 34 million. So if they want to pump the stock, they can do it. It's not like pumping Nvidia. You know, it's completely different.
Okay, let's go with the next comment. Thank you very much. Okay, we have it in Spanish. I'm going to translate it from Juan Luis Alamo Garcia. I wish it goes up $70 at these levels. I see this very difficult. I don't know if you mean like you wish it goes there, but you see it difficult, or you see it difficult right now to start buying, or please share with us what did you mean by this comment. But thank you very much for sharing your opinion with us. Let's go with the next one right here, and it is in two parts.
$70. I mean, that's a lot.
Yeah, this is from top 44. So, yeah, you got it. Webull was reporting high volume, that was actually there. With their typical, people were expecting it to break through. A concerned citizen called Webull out on it and then changed it one moment. People dropped like flies. Everyone started pouring the comments that it was a scam and its confidence is down. It will climb again, but it will take a moment. This will have a class action before it's all said and done for what Webull did. Wow, very
Wow.
interesting. Thank you for sharing that. We commented in the previous video. If you had more information about it, please share it with us. And you did it right there. So, what do you think about this situation, guys? Obviously, this will affect the stock when people say it's a scam and the confidence is out. It affects obviously the stock. But do you think it will go higher even with that? Please let us know below. What do you think? Do you agree or not? And if you have more information about this, thank you very much for sharing it with us.
well, still a lot of comments that we're gonna show you guys, but obviously this is very interesting information. Be careful, obviously, with the information you gather from brokers, on media, big websites, because the only true thing that is always true is like the price action. And actually, when we're talking, the stock is down like in just like in the last couple of hours, it's down 13%. I mean, that's huge.
Yeah, exactly. Completely crazy. A lot of volatility right there. We're going to do a fast round right now. Post 4 comments like this. I don't know if Alvaro would get crazy. You
Yes,
can
no,
read all of
it's
them right there.
fine.
We have Suleiman. Thanks, guys. Haya from Turkey. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Then we have Eddie Cortez again. Great consolidation going on with Holo. Yeah, exactly. That consolidation. Finally, it broke to the upside. So
Wow.
it decided that direction right there. We'll see how it continues. And then Kisper.
Shy case payer. That's difficult to pronounce, I gotta say. Yeah, Hollow needs an investor relation person, and they either don't actually have right now, or the person doing the job should be fired. I mean, that's a really good slide. Should be fired. Yeah, no,
very clear opinion right there.
We don't actually send emails to the investor relations of Hollow, but it could be interesting to see what they say about it. If there is someone actually.
Yeah. All right, so thank you very much for that comment also. We appreciate all the opinions right there. Have Eddie Cortez again. I'm going to paste more comments so we can read all of them and you can see them right there. Yeah, I have it right here with the answer. All right. Looking at the 24-hour charts, I'm predicting October 1st for the upside. Okay, it happened a bit earlier, at least for now. From January 1st, September 1st, 23rd, 2023, Spanish skyrocketed. Same chart for February 7th to September 1st, October 1st. I believe there's gonna be a repeat. Take care, guys. Enjoy your videos. Call to the moon, baby. All right. Thank you very much for that appreciation again. And you did what we mentioned in the video, going for the past price action, see how it went, and you got your information from there. So good job right there. I think it's a beautiful idea always to check the past. You can then conclude your own ideas, but if you see the past price action, you have a nice tool, in my opinion. And then we have the answer from Juan Luis Alamo Garcia. Do you think it will pump? The price is so low. As usual, no one knows the future, but we can all share together our information and try to help each other and to become better traders each day.
And it did. It did. Like this was posted 7 days ago, and then yeah, exactly, Enrique. I'm sorry. I'm gonna read it for you. It's like UL Manresa, and it doesn't. I'm gonna translate. And this. I don't care. This is going to the moon.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's going to the moon.
The sky or to the moon.
Yeah. So it happened, at least from what we can see right now. But a lot of you were bullies, so we are happy for you. And everything can still happen. But of course, we wish the best for you. Let's go with the next one. Okay. So your Manresa thinks like the moon. Would say is $103.83 exactly with the decimals right there. We will see if the price is exactly that. You're an insider, Holman Reza. We will see that.
We're talking about
exactly that. We will invite you to this channel to do a private interview with you.
More than 33,000%. I mean, that would be quite a trade.
Yeah, the thing is, like, I like the decimals, like dollars and cents. Very precise.
Well, after the stock split, anything can happen because the price it will be reversed, and we will experience like it will be like in $10. So maybe 100 could be feasible at that point.
So let's continue with more comments. All right, so 5 more right here. Don't crazy, Alvaro. Can you read them?
Yeah, I just moving them so our audience can see them. Yeah, we have fire emojis like that also. It's crazy. Speaking Spanish, come on. We are from Spain, so we could be speaking Spanish. But the thing is, like, our audience, our main audience is American, so.
Yeah, we can make maybe a video in Spanish if you wish to see that, but future, that could be something like more private or for.
Hola, amigos.
Muy buenas. All right, so then we have Eddie Cortez again. They are sitting on $70 million. I don't know if you mean like the market cap, because that's 34 million, or you mean another information that we're missing. Please share it with us.
Yeah,
I don't
because
think you have a problem in putting another comment in this video, and we really appreciate it. I mean, I prefer that you write 10 comments that you write none, because we like reading them with you, and all the information is highly appreciated here.
can we set it as per hours? Yeah, it depends if you have a broker with after hours trading. So, for instance, trading 212, it has it. And actually, we have a link in the description. I'm gonna see you right here. You can click and you can get up
Yeah,
to 100.
affiliate link.
Yeah, an
Yeah.
affiliate link that we have. But yeah, if the broker has after hours trading, you can do it. And actually, if we go, for instance, here in the 4-hour chart, and actually let's go to the candle chart. It's like, can you see that? I mean, there is no gaps in between. But if we go right here and we click on regular trading hours, look at what happens. You see gaps between the candles. So if it has after hours trading, you won't see gaps, which is right now what you are watching in the chart. So yeah, it depends on the broker.
Yeah, for this type of stocks, I think it's better to have extended trading hours, of
Definitely.
course, because a lot of movements happen when after hours, as Eddie Cortez mentioned. And normally those movements are completely crazy, and you don't want to open your account and have like your stop loss jumped by a 30, 40 something percent.
Mm-hmm. Then we have
Okay.
Matthew Ray again. I feel like they will do another reverse stick split. Then it will pump. That's actually what happened in the first time. So it's not something that is like completely crazy. It actually is based on past experience, which I like that a lot, And we actually see this happening in other stocks such as Mullen, Alt Alliance, others that we analyze that right now they are in bankruptcy. They don't exist anymore in the markets. But after the stock split, they pumped. There was like a huge upside, and then it was a reverse. Actually, what we're watching right now is like a mini thing of what it could happen after the stock split.
Okay, so let's go with the last round of comments. Thank you very much. We highly appreciate all the comments. I want to state that again. We have we need news. What? I missed it. Where
Yeah,
is
let's
it?
go to the 4-hour chart and take it. I'm
Oh,
watching
okay.
that chart particularly.
All right. We need news, and we need it now. Then Eddie Cortez again, our VIP subscriber or commenter in the previous video. Very soon, my friend. Very soon. And then we have Juan Luis again, or yeah, Juan Luis Alamo. We need something, but now. If not, it will go down to zero, bros. All days is going down. Podría subir algún día, macho. It could go up someday, buddy. And it did. You had it right
That's
there.
the funny
It's like,
thing. It's
yeah.
like
So
people were expecting this, they wanted this. You got it, guys. But the thing here is like if it starts to go down, you're gonna miss the opportunity to exit. In a good time. And actually, it's completely real that it could go back to 0.27. So think about what you could do right now, because obviously later it will be more difficult.
yeah, all the scenarios are possible as usual. Up or down, it could all happen. But please stick with us, all your opinions, and if you have a trading strategy that you want to share, also. Then we have the last comment is in two parts. Matthew Ray. It seems like every 6 8 months it pumps real hard. It might not this time, but it has a few times in the past. Fingers crossed. Thanks for the video, guys. Thank you for that appreciation again.
Thank you,
And
Matthew.
as usual, you analyze the past price action. Very good idea. It could happen again, but you have that clear mindset. You know that it can happen or it might not. So you seem like prepared for both scenarios. And in trading, that's very, very important. So thank you very much for all those comments, all this craziness with Holostock, MicroCloud Hologram Inc. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below everything you want to share. Subscribe to Trading HD. Check our other videos if you have more time. And if not, thank you very much. And if you do, thank you very much also. We really appreciate it. Welcome to Trading HD. Honest traders.
Bye bye.